Now we have 3-syllable words that are still following our VCCV pattern. So please find that VCCV pattern 3-syllable practice page in your course manual. All of the steps are going to stay the same. Just keep in mind, you'll always start by finding and underlining the first 2 vowels. So let's go ahead and look at number 1 here, the word that starts with F. I'm going to find and underline my first 2 vowels, label them with a V, draw a bridge, label the consonants on the bridge. Now I'm going to look at my pattern. I have a VCCV pattern, so I split it in between the consonants, and I go and find my next vowel. I have another vowel here, so I underline my next vowel, label it with a V. Now I'm going to draw another bridge. This middle V is going to do double duty with bridge work, so we're going to do another bridge, label the consonants on this bridge. Let's look. We have another VCCV pattern, so now once again we're going to have to split it in between the consonants. Great, I don't have any other vowels, so now I can label my syllables. Let's look at that first syllable. Which type of syllable is it? Good, it's a closed. What type of syllable is our second syllable? Closed. And what type is our third? Closed. 3 closed syllables. Let's read the first syllable. Fan, tas, tick. Fantastic. Great, let's try another one. Let's try number 2. Please, on your paper, follow along and do these steps with me. Find and underline the first 2 vowels. Label them with a V. Draw a bridge. Label the consonants on the bridge. Look at the pattern. We have a VCCV pattern, so let's divide it between the consonants. And now let's go and find our next vowel. We have an I hanging out over there. And let's draw our second bridge. Label the consonants on the bridge. Look for the second pattern, so we're only looking at our second bridge. We have another VCCV pattern. Let's divide it between the consonants. And now we're ready to label our syllables. Our first syllable is closed because there's a consonant after the vowel. Second syllable, closed because there's a consonant after the vowel. And the third syllable, closed because there's a consonant after the vowel. Now we can go ahead and we can read each syllable. Hob, gob, lin, hobgoblin. Very nice. Ready to do one more together before I have you practice on your own? Let's look at number 3. Our first step. Find and underline the first 2 vowels, label them with a V. Draw a bridge. Label the consonants on the bridge. What pattern do you see? A VCCV pattern. Good. Divided according to the pattern. Now find your next vowel. Label it with a V. Draw another bridge. Label the consonants on the bridge. Look at that next pattern. You have another VCCV pattern. Divide it in between the consonants. And now you can go ahead and label your syllables. While you label your syllables, I'm going to go ahead and do our markings so that you can double check. Great. What did you label the first syllable as? Closed. Second syllable, closed. Third syllable, closed. Great, so let's read each syllable here. The first syllable says, second syllable, third syllable, and put it all together. Lemniscus, fantastic. You now have 3 more words that you can try on your own. So go ahead and hit pause, try those words, and then replay the video when you're ready to see the answers.